Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will continue my discussion about some famous colleges of West Bengal. If you missed previous videos of this discussion, click on the I button to get the list and watch one by one. Today's discussion will be about Goenka College of Commerce and Business Administration in Kolkata. Snuggled amidst Bowbazar and College Street crossing, Goenka College of Commerce and Business Administration encloses within its cloisters a rich cultural legacy of a century. Here, within its four high walls, the soil smells fresh with the fragrance of memories of the bygone times when commercial studies began to put its footprints into the ever-widening horizon of new thoughts and knowledge. With the gradual march of time, the study of commerce anchored its roots firmly and Goenka College became the premier institution of teaching commerce in the city. It all began in the auspicious year of 1903, when the Director of Public Instruction, Government of Bengal, introduced a 2-year senior course in commercial studies in Presidency College, Kolkata. By leaps and bounds, it developed into a separate commercial institute in 1905. In the same year, the syllabus underwent a thorough revision and a number of subjects began to be taught to meet the requirements of the office assistants of the time. In 1907, the commercial classes were shifted from Presidency College to 303 Bowbazar Street. As the classes became more and more popular, students' enrollment increased and larger space was required. The spacious building of 285 Bowbazar Street served the purpose, but with the introduction of the new course of banking, it was shifted to 11 Hastings Street, then to 19 Wellesley Square and finally to Netaji Subhas Road by 1928. The institution finally acquired its present position at 210 Bipin Bihari Ganguly Street, Kolkata in 1951. Owing to the benevolent Goenkas, it remained comfortably in its present location, replacing the Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science. The institution now came to be called Goenka College of Commerce and Business Administration, whose main objective was to create competent professionals for the fast-developing business and growing service sector in post-colonial India. The uniqueness of the college lies in the fact that it is an institution that teaches exclusively commerce subjects and had started teaching the subjects even before the University of Calcutta had its commerce stream. Goenka College, Kolkata was built with the rich cultural legacy of the century and provides a superior infrastructure. After the admission, every student is provided with the college identity card. The information regarding the college fees, holidays, etc. are displayed on the college notice board. The infrastructure facilities of the college are classrooms, library, sports, common room, gym and seminar halls. Goenka College of Commerce and Business Administration has multiple departments. Each department has spacious classrooms and latest teaching equipment with experienced lecturers. The departments are Accountancy, Business Law, Business Organization and Management and Secretarial Practices, Bengali, Business Mathematics and Statistics, Commerce, Economics, English and Hindi. The Goenka College provides the best courses in various disciplines. The University of Calcutta had granted permission for opening up the post-graduation course in commerce for its work and efforts as a mark of excellence in 2003. This college offers BCom and MCom on Accounting and Finance and MBA on Financial Management, Marketing Management and Human Resource Management. So now let's go through this college's eligibility criteria. For BCom, candidates must pass 10+2 with an aggregate of 75% and 60% in the related subject. Applicants belonging to OBC A and OBC B West Bengal must secure 67.50% in aggregate and 54% in related subject. SC or ST category students must secure 56.25% in aggregate and 45% in the related subject. For MCom, candidates should have completed BCom with minimum first class or 60%. For MBA, the candidate must pass the bachelor degree with a minimum of 55% marks from a recognized college or university. Contact number, address, website, email and online admission link of this college is available in this video's description. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.